Hello friends, it's Scott, and let's see if I can catch Ember and Luna. There they are. I am off for a Sunday walk. Decided to go out to my parents' house. They have 11 acres, and so letting the dogs run off the leash today and getting some steps in here on a Sunday. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Again, for a spring day, it wants to be a nice day here in Nebraska. It's almost warm and not too windy, so we'll take it. But hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday. Day by day, keep calm and keto on, my friends. We'll talk to you again soon.